Stand directly in the middle of the resistance band. You want your hip, knee, ankles all lined up. So get in there where it's comfortable. Perfect. Look at his feet. They're straight. His knees are slightly bent. Shoulders back and down, chest up. You want to look straight so you don't ruin your neck. Turn your hands out comfortable on your side. Bend your knees slightly. Abs nice and tight. Go ahead. Curl upward. You want to breathe in on the way down and blow out on the way up. Notice how his hands are coming directly to his shoulder. He's not moving them around back and forth. His wrists are nice and strong. They're not going downward or upward, so you create an injury in your forearm. Look at his knees. They're solid. They're not swaying around, moving back and forth. Abs are nice and tight. Getting a nice burn in that bicep. Breathe in on the way down, blow out on the way up. Who thought you could do this at home?